37 minutes walk worth it.
Okay, and recording.
Hi guys! I haven't vlogged in a while, but it's currently 2 a.m. You can't see me, and we're driving to London Gatwick Airport. We're catching a flight to Corfu for our honeymoon slash family holiday. Good morning guys, and welcome to Pax's Greece. This is Madge and welcome back to my channel. It feels weird because I haven't really vlogged in a while and I'm so unprepared. I forgot my vlogging camera in the UK at home, and my iPhone is full of photos. Yeah, it's full of storage from my wedding day, which was actually 3 days ago already, but it feels like yesterday. I'm still having the wedding vibe. But anyway, I'm here to update you of how we got here while Luke is still getting ready before we head out. So we arrived here yesterday, but I was so tired. I haven't had any videos of our trip. We left the flat in our flat in UK around 2 a.m. to catch a 5 a.m. flight. I'm sorry, from Gatwick Airport around 5 a.m. and then we arrived Corfu around 11 a.m. and we have to get a coach to go to the port in Lefkimi, and we booked this through Camellia Lines, and then from Lefkimi we left the port around 2:30, so we got here around 3:30 in Paxos yesterday, and then we're staying at this lovely little hotel called Margina Residence Hotel. I will put a room tour after this clip because I managed to get a video of this flat when it was still clean yesterday. I'm so sorry about the neighbors, they're talking and laughing downstairs. So yeah, from the Paxos port going here, me and Luke just walked for 20 minutes and we're already here, and we got settled yesterday. So yeah, it's just nice to be away and to relax for a bit before going back to work next week. Yeah, and my in-laws are arriving today, but while waiting for them, me and Luke are gonna explore the island ourselves. So see you guys later. vlog update. We had breakfast this morning and look, did a little bit of work, did a bit of construction of the road there just outside our house. And I went for a little swim and now we're going to Balos Beach. So we are just walking for 35 minutes because there's no quad bike rentals here, unlike in Zante. So it's a shame really, but exercise. I like my sunglasses. 37 minutes walk worth it, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want to slip. It's just us. It's just really us. She wants to be petted. She's petting you. You don't have food. Sorry. Heading out for dinner. Good morning, everybody. Day 2 of our Paxos trip, and we're going on a boat today. And my driver is Luke. So apparently, what happened was our family didn't get here yesterday because of boat problems, but they'll be here today when we're back.
Ready?
Bye bye, Gayos. I trust you.
Trust me too.
Drive safely. Welcome, welcome. Coming towards us. Woo! Wow! Baby! Can you guess how many chickens or cats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good morning, everyone. It's our last day in Paxos, and I'm glad that we did the boat trip yesterday because today is really cloudy and I think it's gonna rain until around midday. Hello guys! The sun is finally out and I got my vlogging camera back. Thank you, Edward White, for bringing it over. Ta-da! The boat that we rented yesterday cost like 120 euros, but it's just enough for 4 people. So we have to rent a bigger boat for today because there's 6 of us. It costs 150 euros. Anyway, it costs 150 euros for 6 people, not including the petrol, but usually you'll just spend like maybe 40 euros, and that's for 8 hours already. But since today we're only renting it for like 6 hours, so we got a good price for 100 euros.
You may go slowly through of the channel. All right? Yep. And close to the edge of the water.
Well done. Hi guys! That was our last day here in... No, not last day here in Paxos. And it was really nice because we were able to take out the boat again. Tomorrow, we're leaving Paxos around 7:30 in the morning, so it's pretty early. And then we have full day in Corfu, which we don't know what to do. But we're just gonna stay around the airport and chill because our flight from Corfu going to UK is around 8 o'clock in the evening. And now we're just getting ready for dinner. Our last dinner here in Paxos. So I don't have really a lot in my stuff because I pack lightly. We just have little bags because flying here in UK, in Europe nowadays, they're really strict. They don't allow a really big trolley bag anymore, and you just have to carry a small backpack or side bag. So we don't want to risk to bring a trolley bag. So I literally just had 2 pairs of swimwear and a cover, 2 pairs of shorts and 1 dress. That's it. And I'm back to work on Wednesday. Kinda sad, but that's how life is. I gotta work. 7 a.m. we're leaving our hotel to get a ferry for 7:30. So we're just walking to the port of Paxos. So sleepy, gosh. Hi guys! We made it to Corfu. We were so sleepy and our flight is around 8:55 p.m. So me and Luke are just going around, going for food trip. So I'll show you where we're going and what we're eating. Bye bye!